Hello, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you are new here, please subscribe, you guys. Turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's make this delicious salad. I love to eat my salads loaded with a bunch of goodies in it, especially if they're healthy goodies, right? So I like to start off by roasting some sweet potatoes and some chickpeas. So I did use a can of chickpeas. I drained them and rinsed them off, and then I also cut up my sweet potatoes into little bite-sized cubes. So I'm adding some olive oil, some salt, that was some Himalaya sea salt that I added, the pink kind of course, and a whole bunch of garlic. Okay, a whole bunch of garlic. And we're just gonna add some pepper and some other seasonings. I think I put some lemon pepper on here as well, and I'll just go ahead and give it a mix and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes so that they can roast. And you want to spread it out. Don't let them smother, because if you let them smother, of course, they're going to cook and bake and get all mushy. We don't want that. Okay, so I already cut up a tomato, a red onion, some purple onion. I forgot. I call it purple because it's actually purple. Duh. And also a sweet onion. So I'm using my potato peeler to go ahead and slice me up a cucumber. I like to just have it all wavy and bushy like that. It's just so cute. Just make the salad look cute. Alright, so to make the salad dressing, I'm making my own. So I'm going to use some tahini butter, you guys. This is actually not that good until you add everything else to it. That's my opinion. So I put some tahini butter into my bowl. I added about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and then just to sweeten it up just a little bit, you can use some maple syrup, but I use some dark agave, okay? And I put about a I put a tablespoon in there. I'm not even gonna lie, because it was a lot. And then a half a lemon, some garlic, and some salt and pepper, you guys. And that's all I'm using for this particular dressing. And it's very good. I had to switch because I thought my bowl was leaking, and it wasn't even leaking. But I switched it and put it in a different container. So for the base of my salad, I do have some romaine lettuce here. So I got the romaine lettuce, and I have some carrot chips that I purchased from the store. I chopped up a red bell pepper after I had already chopped up and sliced all my other vegetables, and I looked and like, oh my god, I got a red bell pepper in here. So I chopped that up to add that in as well. So I'm just going to add all of my veggies to my salad bowl, and then I will get out my sweet potato, my roasted sweet potatoes, and my roasted chickpeas. I had already took those out the oven. I just let them kind of cool off because I didn't want to add them too hot to my salad. And I'm just gonna add a bunch of it, just a whole bunch, because not only is it good for you, but it's just good. Okay, so now to drizzle or drown my dressing on there, and that is it, you guys. That is my salad, my lunch for today. Any extra dressing, you can save it and use it up to a week. See you next time. Bye.